Hi everyone, so we understand what is mutual fund. Mutual fund is an investment vehicle that pools money from multiple investors and invest in a diversified portfolio, for example like stocks, equity. So why to invest in a mutual fund? Firstly, diversification. Secondly, liquidity, risk. Actually, it's not about risk, it's about diversification of assets. So if you are planning for long-term gains, assurities and advancement. So what is NAV? NAV stands for net asset value, is the market value of securities of a scheme divided by the securities of that scheme on the given date. Understand IPO. IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. Year 2025 is the year of IPOs. 103 issue size with an approximate value of 103 lakh crore. In 2024, all the IPOs which are listed are below their share price.